I never go up in the attic or under the house again, I would be very happy. It's just a little too close in there.
Sometimes you just need someone to hold the ladder. The trick was, it took both of us to get the job done.
About here, honey?
I would cut and then Shelley would stuff. I would cut while Shelley would stuff. While one person works, the other one can take a break. Take advantage of happy accidents.
Well, this insulation that we have is different, but it's wrapped in a plastic. It's much easier to lay it, but you have to have the knife to cut it. Okay.
I hope you guys have beer because I'm exhausted.
I accidentally bought insulation with the plastic sheeting on it, but it turned out to be easier to use than the cotton candy.
We installed 33 rolls of insulation over 3 days. And we expected to be a 1 weekend project. It wound up being a 2 weekend project. And we found out for part 2 that it was better if we were both in the attic, and we brought in some great friends to help us with the ladder and stuff.
But our trouble was worth it. It paid off instantly.
Thank goodness it's done.